So basically, I had some health issues myself, and people around me were also suffering from a lot of health issues in my family, and this thing. So I wanted to have a solution where I could manage, our lifestyles, our own health without the help of another person. Because if you're going to consult someone, it's only for a certain period of time. You have to come back, and again, that gap will be there. So I
Yeah.
wanted to do something to fill that gap. And basically, me coming from a biomedical sciences background, I thought this will, connect all the dots that are there. So that is what made me think about it. And there was this career advising platform, ma'am. It's called Mentoria. So they suggested all the list of nutrition courses. So this was something, out of all those courses, I found this very interesting because I've never heard of anything like Vedic nutrition before. So I wanted to see, I was always interested in Ayurveda as well. I read a lot of books myself, one by Gita Vara. So I came to understand a little bit about, Prakriti analysis, the doshas and all. But I was really curious how Ayurveda, obviously, we know that Ayurveda it aims at, bringing a balance. That is what Ayurveda is all about. And it addresses the digestion, the overall well-being. So that is what it addresses. So I thought maybe, let me see what sort of knowledge it's going to give me. So I consulted people in the learning team, and they suggested that I go for the Vedic professional nutrition program. So I started off with that, and the quality of teaching, I was blown away. There's no, qualms about it. So I was really impressed by the style of teaching, especially on an online platform. And people are, even with the management team, they're very accountable. The, time they're sending material, the scheduling, everything was, I was impressed. It was very authentic and very genuine and trustworthy. So I joined immediately, and I had a very, very good time, ma'am. You and Rupali, ma'am, exhaustive explanation. There was nothing, at the end of the session, there would be no, there would not be nothing remaining that we wanted to learn more. I mean, of course, it is up to our own motivation, what we want to extend, but the learning felt complete in each session. Then immediately I joined for the, joint pain management and cancer nutrition as well. There also I had a wonderful experience. And now I'm doing my weight loss professional program, and the internship with the Vedic professional program is also going on. So it is as unique and tailored to each individual as a signature. Or I wrote the same word in yesterday's assignment also. So just as you have your fingerprints, just as you have your signatures, it is as personalized as that, ma'am.
Yeah.
So yeah, the more you get into that, the more clearer you become in analysis of each individual's needs. And it's not just about treating the condition, it's about the overall, holistic well-being. That's what it is. So bespoke is the apt word for this. I'm still trying to find my feet, gain ground here. So basically, health understanding, we know, ma'am, like, first I want to, address the issues of the people that I know around me, my friends, my family, colleagues who have been, I have a lot of colleagues who are in their late 50s and all. So you can imagine all the kind of health conditions that they're going through. So they're already benefiting from, whatever diet plans that I've given them based on my understanding. So from that, I think I can extend it to a greater audience, a number of people. Again, it's all about time, it's all about experience, and, how confident I can be. So I'm trying to gain my confidence, ma'am. See, basically, I don't want to compare with other online courses, but I've done a lot of online courses so far, be it on Coursera, Udemy. I'm constantly on the learning go. So when I came across this one, ma'am, I thought maybe, they'll be providing some online recorded material, and we have to go through that. We have to go through the assessments. Fine. So one fine day, I end up in the classroom, and there are you and, Rupali, ma'am. They're going from, right from the very beginning of, what we need to know about Ayurveda. So that, the way they explain, let me just put it in meaningful terms. The experience that I got from Unitas is something similar to what I got 20 years ago when I was doing my college, ma'am. That's what I can say. So there is, yeah, you people don't restrict yourself. You want to share your knowledge. You have this earnest desire to spread it and share it with others so they can benefit. So that intention is quite clear in everything that you teach us. So that is what I understood, ma'am. Yeah. I'd love to add one more thing, ma'am.
Yeah.
The way you people connect or correlate the Ayurvedic perspective with the modern perspective. That is what, as I said, connects all the dots. It makes all the questions answered automatically. How can I use this knowledge? So, for example, you talk about the pathogenesis of diabetes. So from there, you take what happens, you talk about the insulin function, glucagon function, and then you're going to relate it to how kapha is increased, the etiology, the samprapti, the nidana, everything is, kind of correlated word to word, concept to concept. So that's what I enjoyed. It is authentic, profound, genuine. It's, as I said, profound when I said, compared to other online courses, it is much more deeper, and you gain a thorough understanding, a complete understanding of what you need, to deliver nutrition, let's say consultation, or even you can branch into any sort of career based on what you want to do with the knowledge that you have. So it is, profound like that, ma'am. And it is very genuine. There's no such thing as trustworthy as what you people are doing. Unitas is delivering, what shall I say, over delivering. Okay, whatever they have been paid for, every penny to penny, it's, it's worth millions. That's what I can say.